Assalamualaikum and hi. First of all, we would like to thank to our lecturer, Sir Muhammad Nakib bin Mak Yunu, who have given us a lot of guidance and a complete explanation from the beginning since this assignment was distributed until the process of completing this assignment. In addition, also not forgetting to our parents who have give a lot of support and encouragement as well as money in producing this coursework. We will also like to thank the Adabi company that was represented by the company general manager, Mr. Zainuddin Saleh, for accepting our invitation to conduct an online interview session to complete this assignment.
Introduction first. For Product Optima Senia Berhad is distributor Adabi product in Johor, means a full Johor state hold by Product Optima Senia Berhad. 2 established in 1985 after Adabi company established in 1984. 3 owned by Mr. Zainuddin Saleh. Next have 2 branch was in Indapura Kulai and other ones in Keluang Johor. And next started capital with 100,000 to cover cost of buying stock. And for part Adabi Consumer Industry Sdn Bhd, founded by Datuk Syed Mansur Syed Mahmudin in 1984, produce more than 100 types product in 10 main categories like mi bandung paste, seafood tom yum paste and others. 3 to become household brand in every Malaysian home. All housewife only choose Adabi product for their cook, and the market avoid
Company activities. First company activities is the marketing. Marketing should be in many ways like promotion. Promotion surveys are used to in the disseminate company and product knowledge with their intention to attract target audience. In order to draw the consumer to the products of the business, advertising statistic. Product Optima Sdn Bhd is also a subsidiary of the Adabi Goods for a different country and uses various promotion. Second company activities is operation. In achieving corporate strategic objective, company process and organizational strategy play an enormous role to provide the potential basic for the established competitive advantage. And operation of the working hour is very important to sustaining business competitiveness. As a result, Product Optima Sdn Bhd would like to serve the best to their customer, and Product Optima want all the people experience. Therefore, their opening hours is 6 days per week, which is Monday to Saturday, and Sunday will be closed.
Today, I am going to present my part, which is challenges in implementing a business. There are few challenges faced by the company in doing their business. Firstly is lack of capital. Capital is one of the most important assets in starting up a business. At the first stage, Product Optima Sdn Bhd face challenges in general expenditures such as electric bills, rent and salaries. The second challenge faced by the Product Optima Sdn Bhd is shortage of manpower in their business. The shortage of employees primarily affect industries needing qualified staffs and specialists. Product Optima Sdn Bhd face challenges in recruiting their staffs. This is because their company are not well known among the community. On the other hand, the company also could not produce the product according to the customer's demand due to the shortage of manpower in their business. Last but not the least, Product Optima Sdn Bhd also face the challenges in cash flow and financial management. Product Optima Sendirian Berhad face the challenges because they do not have a systematic management to control their cash flow.
Next, solution of the counter the issues. First, creating good supplier relationship, a common issue facing most small business in the lack of resources. The potential of the business to expand into large business depends on the capital availability. In order to make them accomplish operational objective with minimal resources, saving capital is therefore important in this business. Second, any solution to the labor shortage includes the achievement of three critical objectives. First, to recruit the staff, the industry as whole has find the new ways. These as well as subconscious suppliers and the internet should include immigrant population. Next, by offering a combination of good wages, health benefits, bonus program, training, and so on. Third, finance purchase. Orders could be solution for the manufacturing or merchandising firm that require a significant amount of cash fulfill their purchase and orders. The financing of the company will pay the vendor once you have purchased the order on hand.
Here to talk about my assignment. So our team chose Adabi. What is Adabi? Is a spice manufacturing business where they supply to fellow Malaysians spices. So we choose this company because it has ton of potential to go global. One of the reason is it's become more than a whole household brand. It became a super brand when times go on. This reason is it's very famous throughout Malaysia, and not only that, Europe, Middle East, those kind of countries need spices like from the Adabi product.
A target market refers to the community of potential buyers to whom a business wishes its goods or service to be sold. Unique clients which a company direct its marketing activities are also included in this category. For a product or service, a target market is a one aspect overall market. With the competitive foreign brands such as Nestle, Adabi should consider it given time is the entire size of the market for a community. It reflects the upper limits of the product demand. Usually, the consumer demand in the measure either by the sales value or volume of the sales. Market opportunity allows companies to plan better to better prepare their goods and service for launch. Companies can classify their sales potential or amount of the sales they can make in the defined market based on the total market potential.
Task 5 is about choosing qualified business partners such as distributors and suppliers. In this business, distributors are being chosen as qualified business partners. This is to expand the business market segment globally. Task 6 is about estimate company sales potential for each target market. Product Optima Sendirian Berhad estimated sales gained by the company per year is 27.6 million. In gaining a large amount of profit, the business also contribute in increasing economical growth.
Okay, now let's move to the conclusion. In conclusion, This assignment is an important task for us as a student because it can enhance the skill and knowledge that we have learned throughout the learning in the lecture hall. This assignment is also giving us an opportunity to build students' self-confidence to deal with the company on ourselves without bothering our lecturer.